Enhancing road safety, AZDOME M300S 4K plus 1080p dual-dash camera. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring road safety has become paramount. With the rise in vehicular accidents and unforeseen events on the road, having a reliable witness by your side is indispensable. Enter the AZDOME M300S 4K plus 1080p dual-dash camera, a revolutionary device designed to capture every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and precision. At the forefront of its features is the UHD 4K front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera, allowing simultaneous recording of both the front and rear views. The front camera's 4K resolution ensures crystal clear footage, capturing intricate road details with remarkable accuracy. Meanwhile, the rear camera boasts 1080p resolution, surpassing the standard 720p, thereby providing enhanced visibility of the rear environment, including clear identification of license plates. Equipped with GPS technology, the M300S tracks driving routes, recording essential information such as position, speed, longitude, and latitude. This data is seamlessly integrated into the video footage, complete with date and time stamps, providing comprehensive documentation of every journey. For round-the-clock surveillance, the camera features a 24-hour parking mode. Triggered by the G-sensor upon detecting impacts, it automatically activates and records a 1-minute video, crucial for capturing incidents in parking lots or unattended situations. To maximize this feature, connecting to an external power source via the M300S hardwire kit is recommended. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, accessing recorded videos and images is effortless. The AZDOME app allows users to view and download footage directly to their smartphones, eliminating the need for cumbersome memory card transfers or computer connections. In low-light conditions, the M300S excels with its super night vision capabilities. The f1.8 wide aperture lens, coupled with proprietary focal length technology, ensures superior image quality even in challenging lighting environments. This enables precise capture of smaller details like number plates, crucial for identifying vehicles in dimly lit scenarios. Moreover, the M300S prioritizes safety with its smart emergency recording feature. Upon sensing sudden impacts or collisions, the G-sensor triggers automatic video saving and locking, preserving critical footage for later review. Loop recording ensures continuous recording, automatically overwriting older footage to optimize storage space while excluding emergency locked videos. Adding to its convenience is hands-free voice control, available exclusively in English. Commands such as turning Wi-Fi on, off, capturing images, toggling recording, and locking videos can be effortlessly executed, minimizing distractions and enhancing user experience. In conclusion, the AZDOME M300S 4K plus 1080p dual-dash camera is more than just a recording device, it's a guardian on the road, ensuring safety, providing evidence, and offering peace of mind to drivers worldwide. With its advanced features and intuitive design, it sets a new standard for dash cameras, heralding a safer and smarter driving experience for all.